Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create your TikTok video, how you can get the TikTok template in Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, as you can see, we need to open the Google Chrome, and after opening the Google Chrome we have to open the Adobe Express. You can search for that, and after that you will get the TikTok video option here. So I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this it will be opened. So as you can see, it's now open. Now we need to select the template, that which template we want to use. For example, I want to use this template, so I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this will be inserted in your video, in your timeline. So as you can see, now it's inserted. Now if you want to control the things, you can also do that. Like, all the options are provided here in the section. If you want to edit the text, or if you want to edit the footage and color, all the things are provided here. As you can see, now for example I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, you will get the editing options here. You just need to select that which thing you want to edit. For example, fill, outline, and all the things are provided here. If you want to change them, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, here's the text. If you want to edit the text, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to write the cricket here, so let's write the cricket. As you can see, it's done. In this way you can edit it, and after completion of editing, so as you can see, we have to click on the download, and after clicking on the download, it will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading, and they will process. And after the completion of process, as you can see, has the download button. So you have to click on the download button, and after clicking on the download button, it will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading. It's up to your internet speed. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create your TikTok video on Adobe Express. So see you guys in the next video.